Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Arham Freelancing Wala and I am a student of Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute Batch 22. Welcome back to another powerful discussion video. Today we are going to review a very famous TED Talk, The Puzzle of Motivation by Dan Ping. This is not just another motivational speech, it is a complete breakdown of how human motivation actually works in real life. And honestly, this talk challenges everything we think we know about success, rewards, and performance. Because from childhood, we are third, we work hard, get rewards, get good grades, get appreciation, achieve targets, get bonuses. By Dan Peng comes with a completely different perspective. He says traditional motivation system outdated. Let's understand this in detail. Who is Dan Peng? Dan Peng is a well known author and speaker who studies human behavior, motivation, psychology, and business performance. He is known for simplifying complex ideas in a very practical and engaging way. His TED Talk has become one of the most watched TED Talk in the world because it explains something very deep in very simple way. Damping asks a very important question: what really motivates people? It is money, rewards, punishment, or something else completely different? And the answer he gives is surprising old motivation system. Dan Pink explains that the traditional system of motivation is based on carrot and stick method, meaning do good work, reward, do bad work, punishment. This system worked very well in the past, especially in factories, repetitive jobs, mechanical tasks. Example is a factory worker produce more units, he gets a bonus. If he produce less, he may get a punishment. This system made sense when work was simple and repetitive. But now the world has changed. The problem with modern work, today's work is very different. We don't only need repetition, speed, routine work. We now need creativity, problem solving, innovation, critical thinking. And in this type of work, damping says reward can sometimes reduce performance instead of improving it. The candle problem experiment. Now comes the most famous example from the talk. Participants were given a candle, matches, thumbsticks. Task: fix the candle on the wall so what wax does not drip on the table. At first, people get confused because candle is not directly attachable. Matches are separate. Thumbsticks are in a box. Now researchers divide people into two groups. Group 1, no reward given, just solve the problem normally. Group 2, reward given, who will solve the it fastest gets money. Expected result: reward group should perform better. Actual result: reward group perform worse. Why did this happen? Because reward created pressure, and pressure caused narrow thinking, less creativity, focus only on reward instead of solution. The real solution was take the thumbstick box, attach it to the wall, place the candle inside it. But people failed to think creatively because their mind was stuck on winning the reward. So that's why. Key lesson from experiment: Dan Pink explains reward works only simple tasks. Example: typing, packing, repetitive factory work. But for creative tasks, problem solving, designing, writing, innovation, reward can usually harmful performance. Uh, Damping divides motivation into two types: extrinsic motivation. This comes from outside: money, grades, bonuses, awards. This motivation is temporary, it's work only as long as reward exists. Intrinsic motivation. This comes from inside: interest, passion, curiosity, personal certifications. And this long term and powerful more. Example in real life, a student who studies only for marks, memorize things, forget after exam, feel pressure. It's reality. But a student who studies out of curiosity, learn deeply, enjoy the process, improves continuously. This is motivation. Damping. Damping explain the modern motivation system based on three key factors: autonomy, freedom to decide how to when you work. People perform better when they have control over their work. Example: at companies like Google, employees we are given time to work on their own ideas. This freedom led to innovation, creativity, new product development. Because when people feel control, they think better and perform better. Mastery means getting better at something continuously. Humans naturally love progress. If someone is learning video editing, day one, basic cut, day 10, better transition, day 30, professional editing. That feeling of improvement creates a motivation. Like in video games, levels increase, skills improve, challenge grow, and that keeps player engaged. Purpose means doing something meaningful beyond money. People wants to feel their work matters. Example: a teacher shaping future generation, a content creator education people, a freelancer solving real problems. When people see meaning in their work, motivation become natural, efforts become enjoyable, constancy improve. Damping indirectly criticized traditional education system because most schools focus on grades, exams, ranking instead of creativity, understanding, and curiosity. This creates students who study for marks, not for learning. But in the modern world, creativity is more important than memorization. For freelancers and creators, this talk is very important. If you only work for money, burnout happens, creativity reduces, growth and slowdowns. But if you focus on learning skills, improving quality, building purpose, the long-term success becomes possible. My final review: this talk is very powerful because simple explanation, real life experiments, scientific psychology, practical lessons, high relevant for modern world. Damping delivers one of the stronger message: humans are not machines. We are driven by purpose, growth, creativity, meaning. If I summarize this talk in one line, true motivation comes from within, not from rewards. External rewards, money, pressure, bonus can work temporarily, but long-term motivation comes from autonomy, mastery, purpose. Ending. So, guys, this was the detailed review of the puzzle of motivation by Dan Pink. If you enjoy this video, like, comment, and share. And what motivates you the most, money, passion, or purpose? थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस पॉडकास्ट मिलते हैं अगले पॉडकास्ट में जब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़